Hours after, the initial autopsy findings on Gina finally came out, and the results told a very different story from what social media had been spreading. According to the medico-legal report, there were no non-fatal external injuries on Gina's body. The bruises seen on her thigh were not the cause of death. Instead, the certification listed heart congestion and congested and edematous lungs.
Ibig sabihin, non-fatal, yung mga nakita pong pasa doon sa hita niya is hindi po yun fatal. So, kailangan antayin din po natin yung resulta ng toxicology examination para dun sa iba pang cause of death para makita po. Kasi dito nga po sa initial is hindi po fatal. So,
this directly contradicted the flood of posts from so-called influencers, netizens, and supposed friends claiming Ivan beat her to death.